It's day 2 on the MSC Magnifica. We're making our way to Ocean Cay, and it is a full sea day, you guys. There's so much to do, from playing at the arcade, checking out the pool games. Of course, we got to check out the food. So without further ado, let's get into it. We decided to do main dining room breakfast today because tomorrow we want to do the buffet so we can just hurry up and get off at Ocean Cay. So we figured today would be a good day to try a nice sit-down breakfast. So we decided to do the main dining room for breakfast, and even though our regular seating table is like a shared table with other people, for this one we were able to get a table to ourselves. RJ ordered pancakes, but they showed up with blueberry pancakes, so RJ doesn't eat those, so we're waiting on new pancakes. Your bacon and eggs are good though. I have my omelet, my egg beater omelet, and some sauteed potatoes and ham. All right, what do we think? Pancakes are good? Yeah. My omelet was good, but it needed a lot of salt. And those potatoes were not good at all. Yeah, those were not good. They said they were sauteed. They looked boiled and unseasoned. They were definitely unseasoned. All right, so breakfast wasn't great, but it wasn't terrible either. I actually really liked his pancakes, I think. But, and I don't really like my omelet. But it's time to go to the pool deck. Is this 13? Yes. All right, let's go to the pool deck. Indeed it is. Let's try to find some pool chairs. Hopefully we can. I expected there to be very limited pool chairs left. There's actually, they are limited down on the main floor, but there are some left. There's also tons of them up here on the upper deck of the ship. So I thought I would just show you guys some of the sea day activities that are taking place. They have a cute little like big basketball game going here on the deck. Little workout class going here on the pool deck too. So that's what the main pool area looks like right now. Let me show you what this grotto pool, the covered pool, looks like, because they got some sports going on over here too. We got table tennis going here. Also got foosball going down there. And we got the pool down below, which RJ is down there swimming away in the pool. So right now we're at La Grata, which is the indoor pool on the ship. It is a covered pool, but they have the ability to pull the cover like on and off. So right now it's like partially covered and partially not covered. They actually have 2 jacuzzis back here too. So we're gonna just chill out here, let our food digest, and then we're gonna hit some pool. We're gonna do some pool hopping today because back here it seems kind of chill, but they're supposed to have some party games going on at the main pool, which is outdoor pool, in just a little while. So we'll hang out here for a bit, then we'll move around. That's the cover I was telling you guys. You can see the cover is on this side, cover is off on that side.
So juicy and sweet.
So RJ's been in that grotto pool for the last probably what, hour? What'd you think of it, RJ? Good. You thought it was good? It was a fun pool. I'm trying to get him to go in the other pool that's like open with the sun over it, because the grotto pool is cold. The pools are not heated. I did get in the hot tub for a little bit, but y'all, the hot tub is small, and it was 6 people in there total. It felt like we were sharing a teacup. I ain't even gonna lie. It was not hidden. It's just not enough space. They're very small. But I did go down to the buffet and got us a few snacks. I caught the tail end of the breakfast buffet, so they literally started pulling stuff off of it while I was in line. But I did get us a few my own little makeshift charcuterie here. Some meats and cheeses and olives and things.
3 hours later.
Y'all, we've been in the same spot for hours. I think we've been sitting in this little corner for at least 3 hours, maybe 4. And we just chilling and ain't nobody trying to move. But bad news, they moved out.
Y'all, I guess I was so upset that I didn't even want to say the words out loud. But the bad news that I got on our sea day was that our port day, which was the next day, was going to be changed from Ocean Key to Nassau. Now, I don't have a problem with Nassau, but I was just so excited for Ocean Key. I did not want to change that port day. But understand this, port days do change. That is not uncommon. Actually, if you read your cruise contract, you'll see that port days are always subject to change. So we made the best of it. We continued on with our sea day and still had a wonderful day. Let's see what else we got into.
All right, so we have done all of the water activity that we want to do for a day, and it's time to switch to some other fun stuff. But first, I'm gonna go look for the specialty dining restaurant. There is one specialty dining spot on board. It's the Asian restaurant, and I'm gonna try to find it to see if they have a kids menu there, because me and RJ both want to try it, but RJ is picky. So I was able to pull up the ship map on my phone, and it says Oriental Plaza is at deck 7. It's closed now, but I'm still gonna pop by there and take a look. So in looking for the Asian restaurant, I've stumbled across some things that I had not seen yet. So there's a lounge here, La Mestiza. I think that's how you say it. La Matista Lounge. It's over here. It's pretty. I am. Yeah.
Can we get on the video?
Sure. Yeah. What's your name?
Ivan and Michael.
All right. What's your name?
Michael.
Michael?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Ivan and Michael.
Awesome. Nice to meet you
Nice
guys.
to
You
meet you
enjoying the
too.
cruise?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good. Awesome. You guys got to check out the channel, okay? I'm going to give you the information.
What's the YouTube channel?
Team Reese Travels.
Team Reese Travels?
Team Reese Travels. Yeah, that's the name of it.
All right, look it up.
Check it out.
Thanks so much.
Thanks, guys. I found the portrait area too. So there's actually quite a bit of things that you can get done here on deck 7. They have the photo area where you can pick up photos that you took on the ship or on the ports. They also have these. You know, I'd love to buy these. We always buy one of these on every ship that we go on, and we put a picture of us on the ship in one of these photo books, and that's the memory that we keep from the ship. So I was able to buy one for $14.99. And look at everything they have here. They have GoPros, so you can buy GoPros. You can buy tripods for your GoPro. You can buy all kinds of things. They have photo frames here. They have the GoPro 12, which really we need to upgrade, but I won't be upgrading on this ship. Over this way, they actually have the info point, which I'm not sure what that is, but they have this Stay Connected at Sea. So there's people up here that can help you with your internet service if you're having trouble with internet. So you come here for internet and photo information. They also have the Olympiad Sports Bar. Sporting bar. That looks neat. Look at all these pictures they have up. That's kind of neat. I really like this. All the artwork, these are fine portraits as well. And they said there's a fine portrait studio back here. Oh, what is this? Another bar. Nice, cool, like lounge area, seating. One thing that I've noticed about this ship, there are lots of places to lounge on board. Kind of neat too. It's kind of a little area of just, I don't know, like awards it looks like. Yeah, presented all kinds of awards that have been presented to the ship. Port Authority of New South Wales, first visit to Melbourne, Australia, maiden voyage Port of San Francisco 2019, MSC Magnifica. That is the ship. That's the Asian restaurant. It looks pretty in there, but I can't walk in right now, but it does look nice. And back here is the casino. I'll come back to that. All right, so where are we going, RJ? Bowling? I'll go up elevator.
Man, wait.
I what?
I'm just kidding.
What you call me?
I'm just kidding.
What you call me?
I'm just
Did you
kidding.
call me lazy?
No.
I think you called me lazy.
I'm just messing around. You're not lazy.
Y'all, I'm gonna cut this camera, and when we come back, RJ's lips are gonna be on the floor. Just give you a fair warning.
I'm just messing around.
Did you say I'm gonna lose?
Uh-huh.
I'm not losing. I'm never losing. Look at this score, y'all. Look at that. Oh, you cheater. Nice. So you actually pay for the bowling right here at the lane, and it opens at 4 p.m. So we just went ahead and swiped the card here. You just have to make sure you swipe the card that has the fun pass on it. Time for some 4D action.
The 13 looks like a 0 by side.
Hey, what do you think of that 3D? No, it's 4D, right? 4D. What do you think of the 4D ride?
For a second time?
Yeah,
I think it was worth it.
I think it was fun. So it's time for some evening festivities, and we are gonna go to a show. But before we do that, we want to get some pictures taken. But before we even do that, RJ wants to stop by the buffet and get some fries. So he's a little hungry. We don't have dinner until 8:30, and it's only 6:45, so we got him some fries. So like I was saying, RJ just stopped and got himself some fries from the buffet. He really has not found anything he likes on the buffet besides fries, which is kind of disappointing because usually he'll eat a burger or chicken nuggets or chicken strips or whatever. They don't really have that stuff on the buffet except the burgers. They did have burgers. They looked a little gray, but they did have burgers on the buffet. But he just snacks on fries throughout the day. I'm trying to get him to try the pizza. You don't want to try the pizza?
I said I will, shit.
Oh, maybe tomorrow? So he said he might try pizza tomorrow. But for tonight, we do have some things on the agenda. So we're going to get into the evening. We're in our all white because there is a white party tonight. You excited about the white party? He was asking about it earlier. So we're making our way to the theater for a show called Cameo.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you having a good
Literally
day?
just found out that that's the
Are you having a good evening? Fantastic.
Our first show of the evening was called Cameo. It was a show that honored music from old movies, and I'm talking the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s movies, and it was such a fun show. So I want you to listen along. All of these songs that are played are going to be from big name movies, and I want to see if you can guess what movies they're from. So drop your answers in the comments for each one of these songs.
I wanna be loved by you, just you, nobody else but you. I wanna be loved by you alone.
You take care of my trip home, and I'll work on George and Lorraine. Well, I guess you guys are ready for this leg, but your kids are gonna love it. Get down to Louisiana, close to New Orleans. We're down up in the woods among the Everglades.
You need to know, want to find lift you off the ground. Promise me just hold my hand. Use your hand.
event was called Dancing with the Officers, and this was pretty cool too. They invited people on stage to dance with the officers of the cruise ship. I thought that was kind of cool. I didn't really partake because I wasn't really trying to be up in anybody's face that I didn't know like that, but I still thought it was a cool thing for them to do, and people seem to really enjoy it.
The way I'm avoiding eye contact so they don't come over here and try to get me today. Okay, y'all, so my child done went to sleep on me. So I'm going out here to the white party. We're gonna see what's going on out here. Ooh, it's a lot of people. My God. This white party is kind of low-key giving celebrity vibes a little bit.
Tugboat, do you understand? Yeah, look, we'll feed them every once in a while, you know what I'm saying? And if they misbehave, all we do is tell the captain, make a sharp left. Only the strong survive.